Welcome to How to Automotive. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an AC stretch belt on a Chevy or GMC vehicle with a 5.3, 6 liter or 6.2 liter engine. The main drive belt has a spring tensioner. You just pop that over, take the belt off, but the AC here has no tensioner. To get it off, I use a pocket knife and cut the old belt off. The air conditioning belt is designed to be stretched on, and there's a certain way to do it that makes it really easy. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm underneath the vehicle. I'm going to take my new stretch belt here. I'm going to put it over the crank pulley and tuck it behind it. Now with the belt tucked behind the crank pulley, now we can slip it over the AC pulley. And the actual stretching of the belt is going to happen on the crank pulley side. If you tried to do it the opposite way onto the AC, it would never go on. So I'm reaching over the back here and I'm pulling the belt into the groove. So I got the belt pulled into the groove on the top side of the pulley here, as far as I can get it, like that, as you can see. Now, depending on which motor you're working on, the crank pulley bolt may be different sizes. This one happened to be a 24 millimeter. I have a little 3-inch extension and a 1/2-inch drive ratchet. I'm going to rotate the engine clockwise. And as I'm doing it, I'm using my fingers to hold and guide the belt onto the top of the pulley here. Now, I ran into an issue where on the AC compressor here, it's tried to walk the belt off onto the inside. So if yours is doing this, rotate it backwards, counterclockwise, just enough to get it back onto the groove of the AC compressor here, which I did here, which is like a quarter turn or so. So what I did was grabbed a little screwdriver or a little small pry bar, and I'm going to stick it behind the AC right here and just kind of push the belt towards the front like this, and that'll keep it in the groove. And now I can continue rotating it around, and as you can see at the bottom of the crank here, the belt is stretching on, and in just a few more rotations will be popped into the groove. Now the AC stretch belt is installed. Now you can put your main belt back on. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, and invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this.